guys, I'm Matt Paschall. I'm a drummer who's originally from Dallas, Texas, and I recently moved to Los Angeles with my band Vasco. I've been playing drums for about 18 years now, and I'm really excited to announce that I'm now with Collision Drumsticks. I really love them as a brand. They make great products, and they're just very durable and very comfortable to play with. I really like the 5BR sticks. I really like the extra length on them. And they're very durable. I've been playing on the same pair for about a month now, and they look and feel fine. I also love that they really care about their community, and they put a lot of effort into that. Even Carlton, the CEO, will call you and make sure he has a personal relationship with you. I just really love that. After this video, you're going to see a video of me doing a playthrough of my band Vasco's new song, American Dream. Hope you like it.
It's true, I'm used to leaving. I guess karma makes me sleep alone. That's my guess. Despite all your reasons, it passed with the seasons. I keep writing these songs, but I don't feel anything anymore. Let it all out. Call your friends now. Turn it too loud till we blow out. Stick to your American dream while I make mine. I'll be first to admit it. Your goal, I didn't hit it. I wanted us to live life. You wanted us to make one. Just say it. You want a white picket fence dude, a guy who offends you. But I'm sure that baby you'll have in a few years will fix everything. Let's go! Let it all out. Call your friends now. Turn it too loud till we blow out. Stick to your American dream while I make mine. Let it all out. Call your friends now. Turn it too loud. Let it all out. Call your friends now. Turn it too loud till we blow out. Stick to your American dream while I make mine.